Black-eyed peas, lobia, chawli or cowpeas are all the same. You can not only make an amazing lunch or a dinner out of this, but also the most amazing heavy breakfast. The name of the recipe, you may ask? Goan Chawli Ros. Let's begin. Ros literally translates to a juice or a gravy or a sauce, and this one is a very typical Gaud Saraswat Brahman recipe. Now, this is the ultimate testament to recipes that are gained out of migration, adaptation to local traditions and local techniques. Let's begin. We take the lobia in a pressure cooker. We need to wash the beans twice, thrice over, soak them overnight, and then we start pressure cooking them. To this, let's add in a cupful of water, a tiny little touch of turmeric, chopped tomatoes, washed, peeled, and diced potatoes. Let's cover this and cook under 3 to 4 whistles or till the beans are completely well done. By now you would have realized I'm actually going to divide this recipe into 3 different components. The first one is getting the chawli beans cooked. If you're adding the potatoes and the tomatoes, nothing like it. Like I said, wonderful flavor profile. The next component is making the paste, which is with fresh coconut and a couple of more ingredients. And the third one is tempering. And once all of this wonderfully comes together, and like I said earlier, you can make any meal out of it. You can serve this with poi or sannas or maybe even uttapam early in the morning, or you can have this with rice or bread. Choice is completely yours. But for now, while the chawli beans are getting cooked, let's move on to the next component, that is grinding the paste. Let's do that. Let's begin with fresh coconut. Along with this, a thumb-sized knob of ginger, couple of cloves of garlic, and roughly cut red onions, turmeric powder, and along with this, some garam masala. And now let's grind this into a paste. Well, that's the texture that we're looking at. Not extremely pasty, not gritty, just perfect. We've allowed the pressure to completely subside. The potatoes perfectly done. The bean also perfectly done. Let's now move this aside. Let's begin with some neutral oil. And once that heats up, we add in black mustard seeds to begin the tempering process. Curry leaves, chopped red onion, and asafoetida. Let's give this a quick stir. And then we quickly add in the cooked lobia, potatoes and tomato along with the stock. Couple of green chilies, light or spicy, completely your choice. Tiny little knob of jaggery. And along with this, the ground paste. Salt as required. And finally, water from the blending jar. Let's give all of this a good stir. Ensure the entire Ros or gravy or tonak becomes lump-free. Then you continue to boil this on medium to low flame for another 10 to 12 minutes. And with this, of course, the flame. Now a quick taste check. Perfect. With this, ladies and gentlemen, our Goan Chawli Ros is done and ready. And trust me, how much ever you try to replicate a recipe, whether from a cookbook or from a channel, you'll always find that little thing, that something that's always missing, because there are a lot of elements that actually come together. It's the local water, it's the local salt, the local spices, and also the magic of those little hands that actually make the recipe. While this goes amazingly well with rice, of course, you can try this with poi if you can lay your hands on, chapatis if you like. I personally prefer serving this with a Bombaya special, with a Mumbai special brun pav. Not the buttered one, but just well toasted. And you dunk it in, you literally eat it, and then just have some chai for breakfast, or if you want to make a lunch of it or dinner of it, then the choices are completely different. But for now, this is amazing. Make this for family, make this for friends. It's me, Varun, signing off. And for more such recipes, stay connected. Let us know what you would want to see, and I'll make the recipe for you. I promise. Bye for now.